Morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online class. I believe dear you have watched the previous video. So kids, in our last class we learned about the leaf and that functionality, right? Today kids, in this session we will be learning about the last three parts of the shoot system, that is flower, fruits and seeds. Understood? So before we get into the chapter, let's have a quick recap of our previous session through a small activity. In the screen I have shown you few answers in one word. Are you able to see? Well, you can refer course book page number 44, checkpoint 2 at the top of the page you can see. I'll give you 5 minutes. You do it in your course book itself, okay? Then we will discuss the answer. Well, I believe kids you all have done. So what is the first one? The flat part of a leaf. What it is, tell me? Very good. It is lamina. What it is, dear? Lamina. Lamina. Coming to the second one, the food factory of a plant. Very good. What it is? It is leaf. As I told you, leaf is a food factory of a plant. And the third one, that is the stem of this plant grow below the soil. What it is, you can write different answer. Let's have a common answer as potato. What it is, dear? Potato. And the fourth one, this plant has a soft and green stem and a distinct aroma. The right answer is mint. What it is, dear? Mint. M-I-N-T. Mint. And the even, that is we eat the leaves of this plant as a vegetables. As the answer may vary, let's have a common answer as a cabbage. What it is, dear? Cabbage. Tiny pores on the lower side of the leaf. As the air enters through the leaf, through which hole, dear? Tiny pore. What it is? Yes, it is stomata. The last one is stomata. So let's see the answer, dear. The first one is lamina, leaf, potato, mint, cabbage and stomata. Understood? Well, as I said, today we will be learning about the flowers, fruit and seeds. How many of you like flowers? I like. Name any flower name. Oh, lotus. Okay, rose. Rose are different shapes, different colors and different fragrance, right? Hibiscus, right? There are different flowers, right? Well, so dear, you know how the flowers come? It comes from the small buds which is present on the stem. Flower is one of the most attractive and most beautiful parts of plants. Kids, in the image, in the screen, I have shown you two images, bud and the flower. Are you able to see? Well, so bud is nothing else. That is when the bud grow and mature, it becomes a flower. From the bud, the flower comes. Understood? There are different kinds of flowers. They vary in shape, color, size and fragrance. Now we'll learn about the fruits and seed. Come on, tell me, which is your favorite fruit? Okay, mango. Have you thought how this mango is formed? Oh, from the flower. Very good. Mango is fruits comes from the flower. Understood? Well, so most of the fruits having seeds inside. As you said, mango is your favorite food. Mango also contains seeds inside. Some fruits have one seed and some fruits have many seeds. Come on, tell me any example. For single seed, we can take an example of mango. And for many seeds, watermelon is there, right? Papaya is there. These were all the example for the many seeds. Clear? And now Dear, some seeds we eat. We eat in our daily food, like rajma, rice. These are all we are eating in our daily food right now. So those seeds which we are eating are called as an edible seeds. What it is, dear? Edible seeds. Some seeds we won't eat. They are called as a non-edible seeds. Example, apple seeds. We eat apple seeds? No, we throw it. And then orange seeds, we throw the orange seeds also. Understood? Kids, I think you remember on the very first class I told you to take a bean, sow the seeds and sow that seed in the pot, sprinkle the water on the timely basis and keep it near the sunlight where it get the proper sunlight, right? To see the germination of the seed. I believe you all have done that. Okay, in the picture I have shown you the germination of seeds. Are you able to see? Yes. So here what you are able to see, the seeds have, you can see when you sow the seeds in the soil, after few days you will be seeing a new plants come out from the soil. You can see the first image, the new plant which is sprinkling, which is coming out from the soil. The seeds have developed into a tiny plant. You can see the second one there, where the seed has been developed into a tiny small plants. The process of the development of a new plant from a seed is called as a germination. The whole process is called as a germination. The seed contains food for the baby plant, which develops into a fully grown plant. So which part of the plant contains the food for the baby plant, dear? Seeds. Understood? So this process is called as a germination of seeds. In your upcoming classes, in your 5th standard, 6th standard, you will learn more in detail about these all. Okay, as you are in class 3, you just understand the process how it grow. It starts from the seed, then the baby plant will come. Understood? And from the baby plant, slowly it converts, it turns into a small tiny plant, and then it will grow into a fully grown plant. So this process is called as a germination of plant. Understood? Clear, dear? Well, so kids, in today's session we learned about the flower, fruit and seeds, and we have also learned the germination of seeds. In our next class, we will be learning about things we get from the plant. Till then, bye bye. See you on next class.